Ano ba ha?
Oh, kuya.
Lamig.
Narang puli kini di mana bagi advertisement.
Balay sila penjinjar ya lagi. Papinyin kerpang kini. Like link bawah ke shillongadvertisement.com. Pinyo buat ki jimpet na. Bat ki berta ki shula. Link bawah ke shillongadvertisement.com.
Ka Meghalaya Pradesh Youth Congress kala takranting ya National People's Party ka playa like Khlem da shim ne pan jingbit na ka Meghalaya Urban Development Authority hakabai dei ba katai ga jingtre office trekam jongka Henry kala shule don bor bat kani kala long bean habaya kren magilat pathai kubor uba manual badwar ubade usketri ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee haringkat buba ban phiralang masayo ma ubade Vice President ka Meghalaya Pradesh Youth Congress klapan pau ba ka NPP kala shna bean ya ka office trekam jongka namar ba Khlem shim ne pan jingbit na ka MUDA hakabai dei ba katai ga jingtai ya ka ophis bat gibor gibade pet halor kani nakaliang kinong ilam jong Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee kan saad ka jingtho hakabai dei ba kani saka MUDA namar kaan kam omdei man tre tang ikibaret barya henrei ka dei banlong lang kumjo ya baro
jinglap ko jongi halor tika building jong ka office jong ka NPP hakaba ya ka building la jang shna la te tangba ka bangilap kolong ba ya ka building permission ki khlampadio na ka MUDA ni yo sngo naki sources barong bala musnya by application kita apply minin ya ka application ya ka building permission ya ka office kani ka jingle jong ka NPP ka bade ka party beran hampo ka yang sinsyar ka ka government kapan pau ka jinglong le bahe le bom sunyo jong ki ne ki long he hampo ka NPP ya ki an ki bade ber kani ka jella ko jongi ubriu uba duk basitom ne ubriu beran hampo ki ubri commoner uhabanya tingba kita ki proses procedure bahapan apply ke building permission bahapan permitang we kamera ru hapan yo permission lada kam apply permission lakut layo ki notice naka department penalty la sa hapan seo kat ba ya ka ni ka babat ya ki ni ka baden pet ya ka sensar khadar maki hidra di ki pen khani ki an te kum ka kenhun jo kena samla jo ki congress ni dawa ka naka sarkar bahkan naka khamtam naka NPP hi bahkan jubab ru halor kene ba beli ki anya ka kher kat bai ba pat on kumwe
For us, it is impossible to imagine that a building which has been inaugurated in terms of the foundation only on the 1st of September 2020, and by almost 70% of the building structure has already been constructed right now. And it just comes to our information that there was no permission from MUDA yet, which means that these departments and government agencies are being bulldozed in a way that we have never seen in the past. So all the entire bureaucratic or bureaucracy are being taken for a ride and being told to do whatever the government wants to do. And come what may, at least the rule of the land should have been followed. Due diligence and due permissions should have been taken when a building is being constructed. And if the government, so be it, that is in power does not follow these rules and regulations and does not follow the due process, it just shows that there's a blatant use of power by the government that is at present. And this is the kind of alarming thing that should not be tolerated. Because as he had said earlier, that when the public at large does even a small construction without the permission of MUDA, they are entitled to notices and even penalty for that matter. Then why is the government being able to get free with this? Why is the ruling party being able to get free with this? And that's a very big question, because the safety of everybody is concerned. Yes, we are aware that this building being created for the masters will definitely be of very good quality. When we have to compare this with probably ISBT, and when we have to compare this with even the state legislative assembly that is being constructed right now. So those are the very important questions that we feel that the public at large has to know, the public at large has to question, and believe me, we urge upon the youths of this state to at least come forward and be with us. It is not just for the political gains or whatever it is for our own future. It is for the future of the state and it is for the development of the state in the years to come. We are trying our best, we are trying to see, and there are too many things that are being seen. And it is showing that definitely this flouting of rules and so on and so forth cannot be tolerated anymore. And definitely the law of the land has to be equal for all. There should not be masters, there should not be people, different categories of people, right? So when it comes to the law being followed, it has to be followed by one and all. And that is definitely something that has to be raised in terms of questions. And there's certain things that has to be taken up even by us, by the youths, by the public at large of the state. What our plan is basically to start a formal inquiry, and in terms of writing to these various departments and asking them exactly where do we stand, where do they stand on this, because obviously whatever is happening right now is just preliminary in nature. We will follow due course, and we'll try to get to the root cause of, to the root reasons behind all of this. Obviously all constructions should be stopped. All projects should be stopped, especially the ones that are questionable in nature, no matter whether it's the quality of construction, the design of construction, or even for that matter the permissions that has not been taken as per due course, as per due diligence. Yes, the authority should take action into this. It obviously, as you said earlier, that it is one rule that stands for everyone. If it stands for general public, it should also stand for big parties and big masters like this. We'll definitely be initiating some inquiry with Meghalaya Urban Development Authority, and we will take action accordingly. We'll have to obviously follow up with an investigation on the same. We'll be writing to them officially from the party.
If they haven't got the
Due permissions
due
to do the
permission,
same, obviously it is
it
illegal.
is illegal.
It's not following the rule of the land.
If they haven't got permission, it is illegal.
Penalty should be
Yes.
imposed upon them, and whatever due process has to be taken, it has to be taken according to the rule of the land.